Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty solo. To start, focus on your loadout. A balanced setup with an assault rifle and a submachine gun is key for adaptability. Make sure to equip perks like Cold-Blooded and Ghost to stay off enemy radar, and Amped for faster weapon changes. For equipment, a Semtex or Frag grenade can clear rooms, while a Stim Shot provides crucial health regeneration in tight situations. Next, mastering map awareness and positioning is crucial for solo success. Always keep an eye on your minimap to track enemy movements and objective updates. Avoid rushing into open spaces. Instead, use the environment for cover, moving tactically from one safe point to the next. Predicting where enemies will come from, especially around objectives, gives you a significant advantage in engagements. When engaging enemies solo, smart tactics are paramount. Try to isolate opponents, focusing on one-on-one fights rather than taking on multiple enemies simultaneously. If you find yourself outnumbered or low on health, don't hesitate to disengage and reposition. A tactical retreat can save your life, allowing you to heal up and re-enter the fight with an advantage. Always aim for the head to secure quick eliminations. Finally, focus on objective play and adaptability. Understand the game mode's objective and contribute strategically, knowing when to push aggressively or hold a defensive position. Be flexible. If the enemy is overwhelming one area, consider flanking or changing your approach. While maintaining a good kill-death ratio is important, remember that securing objectives is often the key to victory, even when playing solo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.